Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Eunice if you're new here. Today I've got another DIY for you guys, and this is probably the quickest and easiest DIY that I have ever done. It's literally going to take us less than 5 minutes to do. We are going to be creating another wall art piece, and this one was inspired very recently while I was scrolling on Pinterest. I landed on this image of a throw being hung on this like oval shaped hanger, and it hit me that you can literally hang so many things on your wall that isn't macrame or tapestry and add texture to a space. So you could hang things like throws, scarves, or even rugs, and I think this opens up so many possibilities for different kinds of colors and patterns that you can add to your wall. So I really wanted to try creating my own wall hanging using a rug, and I went to TJ Maxx to look for some rugs. I ended up finding 3 to play with. They're all of the same size but have different colors and patterns on them, as you'll see later in this video. So yeah, if you're interested in learning how you can create a wall hanging using a rug, then keep watching. So here are the 3 rugs that I got. I have one of them hanging behind me. Out of the 3, this black and white one is definitely my favorite one, just because of how simple it is and how it has a lot of texture on it. The white and black contrast very well, and because it's made of this like cotton yarn material, it's got a very nice inverted look, so you can really play with each side. I also got this gray one. The tassels on this one are a lot more intricately braided. I thought that would be really cool to see what it looks like. Lastly, I also got this pink one that's hung up behind me. It's got a very simple design with just tassels on the corners, and it's got this like pink and orange gradient. And this one surprisingly looks pretty nice in our bedroom. I can also see this one in like a nursery room or even in a little girl's bedroom. So to create the hanger for these rugs, I used a dowel. I got this dowel from Michael's, and I think it only cost like about 50 cents. I'll make sure to add a link to it below. And I also used a cotton string to hang the rug up. You just want to make sure that your string is sturdy enough to hold the weight of your rug. And I basically just tied the string on each end of the dowel. I gave it like a triple, quadruple knot to make sure it's really secure. And that's it. Now that we have our hanger, we're just gonna hang our rug over it. And what I love most about this is that you don't have to do anything to the rug or throw or scarf or whatever you're using. You can keep it as is and just hang it over and still continue to use it for its own purpose in the future if you decide you don't want that wall hanging anymore. So I thought the wall space above our bed was the perfect area to play with these wall hangings, and this is how all 3 of them look. And that's it for today's DIY. I hope you enjoyed this and that this gave you some ideas for creating your own wall hanging. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know below which of the 3 rugs is your favorite. If you'd like to see more DIY, home decor, or home lifestyle videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well to keep up with my project updates. I love connecting with you guys over there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.